Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Zain Azmi. What the fuck is this? Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Zain Azmi, and I'm currently studying architecture at Instituto Tecnologi Nasional. Throughout my academic journey, I've come to understand that architecture is not only just about building structure, but also about responding to climate, culture, and context in meaningful ways. In today's presentation, I will focus on two important topics that reflects this idea: modern tropical architecture and adaptive reuse in urban architecture. The first topic, modern tropical architecture, explores how buildings can harmonize with hot and humid climate through natural ventilations, sustainable materials, and climate responsive design. The second topic, adaptive reuse, focuses on how we can creatively transform existing buildings, especially in urban areas, into a new and functional space while preserving their historical and cultural value. These two approaches may seem different, but both show how architecture can be innovative, sustainable, and deeply rooted in place. Let's begin by looking at how tropical architecture has evolved to meet the needs of modern living in warm climates. The first topic is the art of modern tropical architecture and adaptive reuse in urban changing urban landscape. Architecture must respond to both environmental and cultural challenges. Two key approaches that reflects this shift are modern tropical architecture and adaptive reuse. Modern tropical design focuses on creating buildings that work with the tropical climate using natural ventilation, shading, and sustainable materials to achieve comfort, energy efficiency. At the same time, adaptive reuse offers a way to preserve and transform existing structure, giving new life to old buildings while reducing environmental impact. And together, these approaches demonstrate how architecture can be both climate responsive and culturally sensitive, building for the future without forgetting the past. And what is the modern tropical architecture? Modern tropical architecture is an integration of traditional architectural strategies designed for tropical climates with contemporary design aesthetic, materials, and technologies. Tropical regions such as Southeast Asia are characterized by temperatures, heavy rainfall, and intense humidity throughout the year. And the core principle of tropical design, the first is cross ventilation, designing openings on opposite sides to allow natural airflow, wide overhangs and shading, roofs and awnings that protect facades and windows from direct sunlight and rain. The second is the transitional space, incorporating terraces, balconies, and covered walkways to buffer interior space from external heat. And the third is breathable natural materials. The use of wood, bamboo, terracotta, or natural stone that absorbs less heat and promotes airflow. The next is vegetation integration, shaded gardens, green walls, and interior courtyards help cool the surroundings naturally. And the key design strategies in modern tropical architecture is the first, building orientation designed to maximize morning light while minimizing harsh afternoon heat. The second is sun shading device, use of louvers, vertical fins, and overhang to block direct sun. And the third is skylight and voids to enhance natural light and vertical airflow. Light colored finishes reflect heat rather than absorbing it. The next is modern approaches to tropical design. Modern tropical architecture maintains this basic principle while integrating current technologies and aesthetic. The first is minimalist aesthetic. They clean lines, geometric shapes, open plan layouts, reduction of ornamentation in favor of functional simplicity. And the next is green technology integration. The use of low emissivity or low E glass to reduce solar heat gain. The next is automated shading and ventilation system, solar panels, and rainwater harvesting systems. The next is eco-conscious design. The use of recycled or renewable materials, locally sourced material to reduce carbon footprint. And the next is prefabricated and modular system, faster construction with better material efficiency and easily adapted to remote or dense tropical sites. And the example for case study is the first is the bottle house. The architect is Ridwan Kamil in Bandung, a private residence using recycled glass bottles as wall, promoting cross ventilation and daylight, a unique blend of sustainability and tropical adaptation. The next is Tropical Box House by WNA Studio, Yogyakarta. A minimalist cube house with maximum ventilation. It uses concrete, wooden louvers, and an internal garden to regulate heat. And the second topic is adaptive reuse in urban architecture. And what is adaptive reuse? Adaptive reuse refers to the transformation of existing buildings into new use while retaining their structural framework. It is an architectural and urban planning strategy rooted in sustainability, heritage, preservation, and innovation. Adaptive use in urban architecture in today's in rapidly urbanizing world, cities face increased pressure on land, resources, and heritage while demolishing old buildings to make room for new development is common. It often comes at the cost of cultural memory and environmental sustainability. And the computer is maintains the original building enveloped or facade, minimalize demolition or reconstruction, allows historical, industrial, or obsolete in buildings to serve new function, and often includes a dialogue between old and new design language. And the benefits of adaptive reuse is the first, sustainability. Uh, they reduce construction waste and carbon emissions from demolition and conserve embodied energy within existing materials and structure. And the second is cultural preservation. The third is economy efficiency. And the next is urban revitalization. And what is the challenge of adaptive reuse? And the first is structural limitation and heritage restriction. The next is integration of new systems. And the final is cost uncertain cost uncertainty. And the conclusion in this presentation is both modern tropical architecture and adaptive reuse offer meaningful solution to today's urban and environmental challenges. Modern tropical architecture teaches us how to design buildings that adapt to climate by embracing natural elements, passive cooling, and sustainable strategies. On the other hand, adaptive reuse reminds us of the value of what already exists, how we can creatively transform the old into something new without erasing story, and together that reflect an architectural mindset that is both forward thinking and respectful of context, one that prioritizes comfort, sustainability, and identity. As designers and future architects, this principle guide us uh, toward building cities that are resilient, efficient, and deeply rooted in place. And that's all the presentation today.